Good morning, good evening, welcome everyone. Welcome on board, guys. Happy Monday times. How do you feel today? How are you doing? Are you guys ready to go for the targets and fight for the best? Relentlessly going through the difficulties and making sure by the end of the day we become better. Thank you guys so much for joining. Have a lovely time and a safe week. It is the week with the FOMC numbers, with all sorts of volatilities. Look at that. We made a new high today, and then we're dumping 30 points. Look at that. Gotta be careful, guys, if you have trades. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you so much for being on board. Let's go. Let's go, guys, to begin an important moment, an important week. First, I'd like to share the presentation with all the community members, pretty much everywhere as usually, in all the trading groups that we're participating. We're live. $125,000 for the giveaways today. Do we have Powell speaking today? Not the FOMC meeting. It's not happening today. I guess that's on Wednesday. But do we have Powell speaking today or not? You guys want to verify that. I don't think so. Good morning, welcome everyone. Great to see you. Make sure to like the video so we can get started on those numbers. Hey traders, welcome. Great to have you on board. We're gonna have a video posted on my channel today, a little bit later, probably this afternoon. Yeah. We made a new high and then dumped 30 points. So certainly it's not going to be a comfortable day trading. Certainly. From the way we're acting today. Today's low around the 700s. But I'm targeting, in case of a bullishness, last week's high, 868. That's a very interesting context. 868 last week's high. Volume weighted average price sits around 780s. 200 EMA, the purple line, is the one we have been responding today. So seeing the price action back into 775 around this level would be an interesting place to test out along if we get it that deep. Evening out there, great to see you, buddy. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Let's just pick up those numbers. We're trading today our IRM. 150k instant funded. IRM is running their big promotions. 44 bucks basically for the 50k challenge. No activation fee. 44 bucks. But the big deal is obviously on the 150k instant funded, no payout target on the funded stage. Instead of 540 like they are selling it, I got it for you discounted at 450. By the way, we had a lot of the people on Friday getting paid, and I did talk about in our Discord. I certainly talked about our Discord right here. 4 different guys got paid on Friday by the YRM prop firm. 4 different guys. So it was a pretty success for our community. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Evaluations. A lot of evaluations are on the way. People use that a lot. It's cheap. $44 right now. So we're trading our YRM. We're trading our Lucid accounts. We're going to trade our Top 1 futures as well. And we're going to trade our Ticktick. We're still trading the Ticktick. I mean, we have this 5 active accounts. We only need a single point, but we have 1,269 max loss. And we have 1,369 in the balance. So I'll have to do about $700 to $800 here to go for the max payout of 2,000, and then it's going to be 10,000 totally, guys. I think the payout takes a little longer with a Ticktick these days. Interesting context here, and certainly not easy to be trading the current situation. Are we going to get a break here on the 800s? We break below and continue. Didn't want it to short this for the moment yet. I don't want to jump into. Last week we were very, very aggressive around the board. Yeah, 16 days. So I'm expecting probably about 2 weeks if I qualify for a payout. Hey, great to see you guys. Happy to have you on board. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Nothing has changed at the YRM promotions. Lucid entered in a new campaign. 35% for the Lucid Pro and Lucid Flex, 35%, and 30% for the Lucid Direct. Right, that's the current promotion, which is active till 12th of December for the Lucid. That's what we're running. Good day, good morning, everyone. Great to see you on board. Yeah. 220s. So this is the new campaign for Lucid. I'm watching this levels, guys. 775 is what I'm going to bid. $775. There you go. And then 772, 3 more contracts. We're bidding that. I'd like to bid that one on my Lucid 2775. Ticktick as well, 775. And we're gonna watch this. It's the 200 MA reaction, which delivered so far. Watch this, the purple line. And the daily volume weighted average price VWAP sits around 780s, right? So if it wicks into 775 and follows the same pattern, I think we're gonna be good with this one. But in the meantime, let's not forget about and underestimate the possibilities for the market to generate here a pretty strong higher low. That's a level. That's a level that I'd like to put into No, it's not golden pocket there. Golden pocket actually rejected us with this 5-minute candle. But if we look into the reversed form of the golden pocket, then we might see the current price action delivering a couple of points. I don't know how sustainable is this. I don't think so for the moment. Yeah, we have a bit of demand in between the two yellow lines, and I think we're losing that for the moment. So wouldn't be bad here to continue on a short. Opening a short here. We got into a short there. We're going to get into some nice shorts on our Lucid as well.
Order filled.
And I'll do the same thing basically on my Ticktick.
Order filled.
Putting the exit right there. Exit over here. Take profit right there. We don't even need that much. Let's see, guys. And I'll put a 798. One contract short, 799, another limit order short in case our Ticktick goes up there. Same thing on my Lucid. 798. Two contracts, 99, another contract. I like to DCA into my short at that level. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We're going for the targets relentlessly. And I don't think it's going to be a bad week. We have some interesting numbers, especially for the crypto space. I think we're going to get a lot closer to the $100,000 mark. Market's been holding positively. Could be a bearish retest here. That's why I like to DC a little higher, if that's the case. Otherwise, we're going to let this one run. There's like $900 drawdown in this accounts. Probably 10 days, the average payout time, probably around that one. But it's kind of hard to say something about the current situation's averages because it's pretty unique. We have not been going through and we don't really have statistics on averages. We just have some specific cases one by one, pretty custom, right? Could be a week, could be 10 days, could be 2 weeks. Yeah. So it's something you wouldn't be able to do some management and planification on that, Giuseppe, unfortunately. Yet on YRM, people got paid basically in less than 24 hours. Let's see if this is a nice bearish retest and we get into a continuation. Beautiful, guys. Keep going. We've got you with some numbers. No more limit sell orders at the top. No more limit sell orders at the top. No, no. If you're holding here, I'm going to get out. Because that would be a temporary support, and I'm not going to like that. No, no. Don't you dare doing it. If you're holding here, that's going to be a temporary support for the 1 minute. And certainly I have to get out of the trade. Yeah. I'll have to put a stop loss there, guys. There's no alternative. If it holds here, yeah. Oh, I've been having little kids for 3 years already, and haven't used cologne. You know, keeping them near to my neck. It's not going to function. I don't want to do that. But certainly, I like the Mont Blanc. I'm not exactly sure what's the name of it, but it's with black color. I could actually find it on Google. Mont Blanc with black color on the outside. Probably about 50 milliliters or something like that. We're gonna get support once again here. Certainly not gonna like that. I just sold
Order
3
filled.
contracts, so accepted a partial loss. Sold
Order
2
filled.
contracts here as well, accepted a partial loss. And I'll do the same here. I just sold basically 4 contracts. Yeah. Had to accept a temporary loss there. Let's go. Maybe Explorer. Yeah. I bought it like 4 or 5 years ago. And I have another one from the same brand, Mont Blanc, with blue. The design is the same. It's just the color basically changes there on the outside. It's blue. So on the black and on the blue. Let me try to find it on Google. Explorer with a blue. Yeah. Ultra blue, right? That's the one. Ultra blue.
Order filled.
We got stopped out. It's good that I actually cut it a little earlier. No stop loss hit on our IRM for the moment. Lucid stopped out. Ticktick stopped out. Looks like we didn't continue our drop to the daily VWAP 200 EMA at this time. Built a higher low, and that's a very interesting mark, right? Yes. There you go. Lucid Flex is amazing. Even though we were pretty aggressive with the accounts and we're not really able to build that much on it. One of the things Lucid Flex is obviously very valuable is once you get funded. Right, so it makes the whole thing so natural and close to the real trading experience. when it's funded, those accounts are becoming extremely valuable. No consistency, no payout target, and being funded like that is just insane, guys. The only thing is you have to be very, very, very well disciplined in your challenge stage, right? So with a flex, let me tell you something. You have to realistically consider your challenge phase like it would be a funded stage. That's how you have to trade it. You have to consider like you paid for a 50K account just, $1,000. That's how you have to treat it. Because otherwise it's not going to work. It will cost you a lot. What kind of issues basically? Like Ticktick Trader is on pause. That's the issue with it. Ticktick Trader right now is no longer accepting sales, no longer onboarding new clients, no longer allowing old clients to buy accounts. Ticktick Trader is just functioning approximately for the upcoming 2 months with the actual accounts that are active. No problems with that, which is what I've been told. I'm just transferring the message to you. So with the actual active accounts that you've got, if you get to the payout, you can request your payout and trade your accounts normally. So is it allowing you or not? Good job, PG contract, right? So with Lucid Flex, you got to take your time, because once you become funded, like I said, that's a model of an account which is extremely valuable for us as traders. Not allowing you to request a payout. And what's the situation you have basically on the ticket? It's pretty difficult, guys, with them. It was pretty difficult with a Ticktick. They said after that they will try to resume. That's what I've been told. They will try to resume their business with new platform, new data feed, and a fresh, competitive, scalable business model. We'll see if that's true or not. We have to see. Like, this is just a statement. It's not a proof. It's not a guarantee from them. It's just a statement which needs to be delivered. We'll see if that's going to be delivered or not, and how it's going to be delivered. But in the meantime, certainly they have to fix all the support tickets, concerns, and situations with their active community members, just like we have the MRC traders having a difficult time with them. They certainly have a data feed, trading platform, and this kind of technical situations. Financials, I don't know. We will never know the reality behind. Yeah, that's something they're working on in the next 2 months. That's something they're working on in the next 2 months to generate a different data feed. And find different solutions, scalable solutions for their communities. Careful, Mr. Knife Art. Careful out there. Make sure everyone to sign up, like the video. Yeah, I've got informations that are not even posted on their official Discord as announcements. Thank you guys for joining. Accepted a temporary loss here on all the accounts. It's not an easy situation. Yes, daily from 8 a.m. EST time. We're doing giveaways daily. Join our giveaways. Yeah, till late February, right? So Project X is going to be available till late February. I've been told that they actually need around 2 months approximately till they sort it out with a new data feed, new trading platform, and organize their business totally differently. So I hope they deliver on their promises. You're welcome, buddy. Yeah, unfortunately, when a company stops communicating total transparency, it's impossible for someone that is not part of the executive to know, right? So there's no total transparency from the company. There is partial transparency. And that's something that I've been told. So they've almost been online for 4 years, so I don't know. Like between the top 1 futures, Ticktick, Lucid+YRM, Tradeify, many other companies, Ticktick is the oldest. It's almost 4 years since they're online. Interesting point here of market continuation to the upside, guys. If this wants to be bullish,
Order
this is
filled.
an interesting level just to fight
Order
back and break
filled.
above. Let's see. We got into a long here, 4 contracts. And we might be able to take that liquidity. There's a temporary supply on 810. Once we get there, I'll have to go break even in case the market wants to reverse. Yeah. Yeah, it would be pretty sad and pretty bad if they would actually stop functioning. Hopefully they're able to recover in this 2 months. Look at the 5-minute here, guys. It's the kind of the same support we've got back in the day. So that would be interesting to see if it continues delivering. I'm adding a little bit to this one.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And I'll do the same thing on my YRM accounts.
Order filled.
5 contracts on Lucid Direct. 4 contracts here. Come on. Once we get into 810 and close to that. Yeah, Savius, I'm trading. Yes, of course. I'm trading Savius. Yeah, it's delivering payouts and it's working smoothly. We're going to trade our Savius accounts today. So we're having basically the YRM, Lucid, Top 1 futures, and Savius. This is a candlestick I don't like. As long as we don't pretty much generate a nice wick out of it, I'm not going to enjoy it. Beautiful, guys. All that buyback. All that buyback was really necessary there. They switched the algo. Speaking about the targets, well, can take this one around the 16th, 17th. Yeah. We're set for Lucid for that. We're going to be set for the Ticktick as well for that. We're putting break even for the Ticktick, guys. Come on. Putting break even for the Lucid as well. And we're putting break even for our YRM as well. So the only thing is just to break out of the 810 1 minute supply without retracing. Come on, guys, let's go. We're ready for the fireworks. 1 minute supply breakout here. 810. If we are clearing that, target is going to get hit. On quite a lot of accounts, right? YRM, Lucid, and it's not always that I'm trading multiple accounts on different platforms, which is why I'm not really having them connected. This is something that I'm not doing most of the time. Usually I trade basically one by one. But if there is an opportunity, I'd like to take it across the board. Look at that one, guys. Come on, just a little higher. Just a little higher, guys. Come on. The next 1 minute candle is important. This one closes nicely. So this next 1 minute, even if it retraces, it's actually wick to the top side. We broke out 810, so I shouldn't be scared. Yeah, I'm gonna... Nah,
Order
have to get
filled.
out there. Have to get
Order
out here.
filled.
We eliminated a loss pretty much almost everywhere. But this could have been much better. Have to get out here as well. You know, we're going to pull the trigger for a little celebration time out here, certainly. It was not the worst case scenario. Boom. And we're off to a good start with some celebration. Increases the momentum. Thank you guys so much. You know, on the 5 minutes, it's a clear rejection there. You got a supply, so better safe than sorry. What about a TTT? TTT is having troubles right now. It's having difficulties from multiple standpoints. Trade of 8 is no longer there. Project X is no longer going to be from February. And I've been told that they're working on finding a solution. So everything is delayed. And it has a level of uncertainty and unknown. That's where we are with a TTT. So I've been told that this is for about 2 months approximately. In the meantime, they are working to find solutions towards their new data feed, trading platforms, and probably generate a scalable and compatible plan. Yeah, their support is still there, working hard. I'll post a video today on my channel with the YRM prop firm. A great strategy. No, I'm not trading a live account with them. No, I had a $5,000 drawdown that has been hit. Wondering about this rejection we had here, guys. If it has the power and the strength to take us into the daily volume weighted average price, we were up 780s. Wondering about. We're reshorting this. Yeah.
Order
reshorting
filled.
this move.
Order filled.
Let's see if we get something out of it. Or this is another higher low on the 1 minute structure, which staircases to the upside. If that's the case, we're going to be out. But the 810, expecting that 810 to say something, right?
Order filled.
Not to be mute. Come on. Look at that pressure coming into. That's pretty weird, guys. Let's see what's out there for the algo. What's out there for the algo? We just got the hourly algo.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is the YRM 150k instant funded. Yeah.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm putting my stop loss there. Not in a danger. The only dangerous situation is with my Ticktick accounts. That are pretty close to the max loss. But other than that, we have flexibility. Yeah. We'll put a stop loss right above the structure. If that's the case for a new higher low staircasing to the upside. We'll see. We just had the flat hourly. Come on, we get another rejection here or not? Time for the outcome. We're pretty close to the daily loss conditions here. YRM is backed up by a brokerage company. And Savius has been online as well for many, many years. But of course, these are not certain conditions, right? So it's hard to deduct out of a specific situation whether the company is gonna be here in the next 6 months or not.
Order filled.
Yeah. Market kept pushing. Our stop loss got triggered. Very interesting, guys. No retracements, no pullbacks, nothing. Just a straight movement back. Very interesting how this managed to be sorted out. If we go to the hourly, you'll see we're following the bullish narrative. We're following the bullish narrative. Well, with good quality services and competitive plans, you can basically we had about 2 great months this year, which ended up to be around 60,000. Make sure to join our Discord community, guys. Other than that, we were just breaking even on the months or being down a little bit. But 2 months were for pretty good accumulation. Certainly the hourly wants to continue. 5-minute is not an easy model here to be traded. You can't gamble short this. Trade and hope. So that zone kind of confirmed reaction. This one marked between the 2 yellow lines. Kind of confirmed a pretty strong bounce back. We got to take it slowly. It's Monday. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Get yourselves onboarded for the giveaways. Let me show you the golden pocket. Back to 810. In case you care about the reversal. It's certainly an interesting level here.
Order filled.
Testing out a little short.
Order filled.
With a limit order above. Yeah, let me just grab my...
Order filled. Order filled.
There's $500 drawdown left in the Ticktick accounts. Would love to see the markets pulling back into the 810 golden pocket of this whole move. But we gotta be cautious here. We're gonna go stop loss break even quite quickly. There you go. We're gonna put a stop loss break even. Come on. Stop loss break even over there.
Order filled.
About to hit that.
Order filled.
Put a stop loss there too. So on Lucid we got break even. Ticktick we got break even. A Lucid trade is still active. With a short. Adding a little more to this. Adding more to this. Stop loss and break even. No, break even touched. It can easily slide. We gotta wait. We're playing it very tight.
Order filled.
Playing it tight again with a stop loss right above the candle for the Lucid.
Order filled.
Stop loss right above the wicks.
Order filled.
Adding more to this. Are we getting support here, guys? We're going to bounce from 814. No continuation. Need that pocket there. That's good.
Order
Adding a
filled.
little more to this.
Order rejected. Order
Not
filled.
sliding. Stop loss above the wick. Stop loss on my entry.
Order filled.
Break even touched. Slightly below 13. Didn't got into that level. It has pressure, guys, so bulls are there. %35 on the Lucid Flex and Lucid Pro, and 30 on the instant funded. Pretty powerful pressure, guys. Pretty powerful pressure here. We're just building to the top side. Look at that. Continuous higher lows. This 1 minute might be the trouble that we just have right now. The candlestick could actually be the one taking us down. Interesting that, you know. 820s reject you. 8, 13, 14 supports you right now. Are playing between these two very, very tight levels. You know, the choppiness sign will actually require it to come back, right? At least to this levels. And then push it back to the top. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you on board. How do you feel today? Ready to smash some nice trading. How do you feel today? Testing out a short here. With a stop loss above the whole thing. 15 minutes and the market opens. $500 drawdown on the Ticktick.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Interesting, right? Let's just go, guys. Give me that 810 stop loss on my entry. We're break even for the Lucid. $600 would be the profit there. Looking nice on the Ticktick as well.
Order filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
Take profit hit on the Ticktick. Take profit hit on the Lucid. And some good money over here as well. We're leaving it open for the moment on the IRM. Stop loss on my entry. Keep going, boys. All the way into the VWAP. 780s. 780s. We're going to celebrate in the meantime for that. We got some good trading, some good recovery there with the short here. Been hunting this move. Boom. Come on. Putting the trailing here for this IRM trade. I think it's good. Dip chart. I think it's good. I'm not trading on that. Maximum you can withdraw, depending on the cap, depending on the account you have. So depends on what are, you know, what kind of, oh, 50k. I just see it right now. The 50k is 1,500. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. We're adding to this short a little bit. Right there. And we're going with a break even here. If it's not, out. We closed out on the trade. Secured some profits. So we made on our Lucid around $600 profit. Me made some money on the Ticktick too. Some decent money with the IRM. Dip chart from Volumetrica. Thank you guys. That's a good 1 minute reaction. Thank you. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We've got 11 minutes to go and the market opens. Slightly more than 200 people on stream with 100 likes. You cannot participate in the giveaway if you have not liked the video or be subscribed and join the Discord. These are the 3 things besides completing the form. Thank you guys. I think the next 5 minutes can go even lower. Look at the strong push we have here, guys. It's just insane.
Order filled.
Reshorting this with a single contract here. Doing the
Order
same on my
filled.
Ticktick. Look at a 5 minute push we have here, guys. Watch the price section being wild. Watch the amount of pump and dump we're gonna see. The next 5 minute can nicely be red. There's a lot of inefficiency in this candle, in the green one we just had. You know, I'm going break even here on my Lucid. Just a single contract.
Order filled.
Break even on my Ticktick as well.
Order filled.
We just touched the break even over here too. Pretty wild. That opening here indicates a bunch of power, guys. Yeah, been shorting today. We're down. We only traded a single account on YRM right now. We're down 880. We're down 484 on the Lucid 3 accounts. And 145 on the Ticktick. Stephen is asking us on a Lucid Flex 4,490 per today if it's good. Well, you have a 50% consistency. So with that one, on 150k Lucid Flex, you're actually in a very good position. Very good. It's the best you can have. $4,490 on 150k Lucid Flex. That's the best you can have, right? With 50% consistency. Nicely dropped. Nicely dropped.
Order filled.
Opening a short. I think we should continue below that 805, but let's see and wait. Let's not rush into other statements. I think the pressure we have here from the highs, delivering lower highs for the moment. At the same time, we do have, of course, higher lows.
Order filled.
But I'm watching certain levels here, which have not been hit for a while. Yeah, you see the price action today is not the easiest. Like, it wasn't easy Thursday and Friday too.
Order filled.
Add a little more to this. Shorting my Ticktick as well.
Order filled.
Grabbing my short for the IRM too.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'd like to bring my Ticktick accounts above 100 to 100, right? 100 bucks is the buffer. If I bring it above 100 to 100, I'll have my last point. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Look at that. I'll have my last point, and I will be able to take a payout on 5 accounts, 2,000 on each. I gotta put a break even here. I'll put a break even situation. I think the Ticktick hit the target, guys. There you go, 860, 102,229. So that's perfect, guys. That's perfect. I think we got to the payout stage there. 7 points plus sufficient money to get out. Exit from this one too, 1,250. Exit from here as well, 1,300. There you go, confirming everything on board, guys. I think we're qualifying for a strong payout. Come on, celebration time. Scram Boys hunting for shirts on Monday. We're making money. Boom. Let's go. Come on. Hope you're having a great time, guys. Thank you so much. Come on, like the video, guys. Let's go. That was not easy. That was not easy. That was not easy. Let's look at a Ticktick. Let's look at a Ticktick numbers. We started trading on 25th. We're copy trading on 5 accounts. On 25th, first point, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Thursday and Friday we had $7 points today. It's the 7th today. We have 2,229. So we can take out $2,000 and we're copy trading it on 5 accounts. So even with $5,000 loss on Thursday and Friday, we still made it, guys. That's a $10,000 payout from the Ticktick. That's a $10,000 payout from the Ticktick confirmed. We've got 7 points right there, guys. Absolutely amazing. 7 points, fully confirmed. We're gonna have $129 left in the account, but it doesn't matter. What is important is that now we are gonna attack Ticktick, attack them, and request a payout. They gotta fix it, of course. They gotta fix it. Now, there is a pretty strong reason to fix it. Look at that. We just dropped into the daily VWAP. We've been hunting these levels, shorting things. This is an important account we made money too. Important, guys. 1,225. You know, I need this money so much because we were going back and forth with this account. It's 150k instant funded for the Lucid. You know, they're not cheap. So we were going back and forth. We had 2 big losses last week. 2 great days. 2 big losses. Well, certainly we need this one. Because now we are back at the original balance. Back at the original balance. Which means I'm going to lock myself out for the day. Copy trading 3 accounts like this. We had a good start on 28th of November, Friday, 1,800. But then a pretty negative last week. Look at that. 1 minute to go and the market opens. We're $300 in this account, but we've been struggling so much with it. VWAP, great reaction. Yeah, they are paying existence traders. This is what I've been told. It certainly takes a little longer. I'm not worried about not getting paid. I think it's going to take longer. Probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 10 days, I don't know. Thank you guys, appreciate it. That's a 10k on the Ticktick secured. 5k in cash, 4,000 in the live. We're actually having 8,000 again in the live wallet. 8,000. Market opens. There you go. The market has just opened back to the VWAP here. Getting into 2 contracts long. I'm out. Beautiful $700 profit here. Beautiful. Ho ho. Look at that, guys. We're making a new high very, very soon. $700. I'm fine with it here. I'll secure that. Not gonna trade more on this brand new 150k instant funded from the YRM. Yeah, I'll have to drop the accounts after the payout because I'm not gonna have more. It's just $100. But I'm not gonna be able to buy new accounts because Ticktick Trader is not allowing it anymore. They gotta fix their whole business. Probably when the whole thing is gonna resume. Oh, made a new high pretty quickly with that. Made a new high pretty quickly with that. This is what happens when you have a pretty strong FOMC week. Got to set on my copy trader. Got to set up my copy trader. Guess where, guys? Guess where? On my $150k Lucid accounts. Lucid Flex 150k. Ready to fly on my Quant Tower. Yeah, they're still paying out the actual base of clients. This is what we have been told. So the actual base of clients that are having active accounts, they can trade normally. What's changing as no new purchases, no new onboarding members, and everything on pause in terms of new people for the upcoming at least or about 2 months. Not at least, but about 2 months approximately. That's how you get into the giveaway. It's an impressive one. Hell of a candlestick, guys. 105 minute, almost 100 points. It's lovely. Market's ready to fly. Fly me to the moon, markets. Fly me to the moon. Frank Sinatra. Come on, Frank. Thank you, guys. Come on. I would bid with a stop loss right below Obviously risky and tight. And I'm going against the momentum here. We touch the stop loss. Yes. Stop loss once again below this whole thing. In case we're capable holding 3 contracts long. Looks like we're not capable holding. So we just made a new wick there, and they were rushing it back. That's crazy, guys. Getting back into my long with 2 contracts right now. It's just nuts. Look at a... And now we have the 3rd candlestick doing the same thing right, guys. Look at that. Look at this price section we've got here. No way. We got a 3rd candlestick pushing back into that level. Yeah, the communication is terrible. And it got touched once again. Look at that, guys. So we're going to obviously take a break here. It's just a nonsense wild price action. Look at that. All the wicks made on the 1 minute resolve nothing. Selling pressure is the one that takes the lead and speaks out. Probably S&P is going to go for the gap. Yeah, just a little more. $870s. Yeah. We just touched that one. We just filled up the gap there for the S&P. Might allow Nasdaq for a bit of a bouncing here. Getting into a single contract.
Order filled.
For my Ignite accounts at the top on futures, leaving it open for 848. Might be capable holding through. It's weak. And it's missing out.
Order filled.
We're gonna DCA at this level. We're gonna DCA. Touched it to the daily VWAP. I like to trade some of my other 150k instant funded IRM. And the bouncing that we might have from this VWAP conditions. 825 is my exit for the Ignite. Make sure to like the video, guys. YRM is still running their big promotions out there. Lucid is on board as well with interesting numbers. Adding a bit to this one. Might be a temporary low here. Putting our take profit at around $1,000 for this 150k instant funded. Let's see if we're capable holding or we're still weak. Nah. It's weak.
Filled.
Stop loss is at 1,000 here. Stop loss 1,700 on the other side. Yeah. Very weak. Look at that, guys. Look at this price action. Ho ho. Again, this is a very interesting level as soon as you have S&P holding through. Yeah. Quite of a strong retracement already. What an opening we had.
Order filled.
Putting an limit order here on 70. Oh! I'm out.
Order filled.
407 profit. Didn't expect it as such powerful reaction, guys. Did not expect it as such powerful reaction. 407 profit. We need $100 more here. So we're going to trade the micros.
Order filled.
For $100, we're going to trade the micros, right? We also need 10 seconds for the top one. Putting the stop loss and break even, guys.
Order filled.
Has been touched. Stop loss and break even for the IRM2. Nicely touched. Look at that.
Order filled.
Getting back in our long here. For the push, come on. 3 micros. Let's go, guys. Come on. This new candlestick could be the one. Let's take the profit out there.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Oh, sorry to hear that for the Japanese people. Yeah, micros are great, especially if you have a plan of DCAing and adjusting it from there and just, you know, going through some nice market
Order
conditions.
Filled. Order filled.
Adding to this one as well. 4 minis out there. I think we're gonna be quite close on the target. Order filled, order filled. Gives you a lot of flexibility, guys. Micros. Gives you way more flexibility.
Order filled.
All that 1 minute purchasing should lead into a nice explosion. Let's see. 812 for my 1,000 profit here for the YRM 150k instant funded, and 811 for my target on the top one. We're staying under the pressure, guys. We're still staying under the pressure. I don't want to DC anymore. It's not needed here. With a decent green candle, we're into my target, so certainly not needed. We're well positioned for the exit. We're below any supplies. It's just, you know, part of the liquidity where we're trying to exiting. If they want to be choppy, I'm right there giving them liquidity. If they don't want to be choppy and they want to play me out here, taking the price action even lower. You know, we had a bit of a bouncing here, but that's been pretty weak. No continuation above 803, 804. Weak numbers in board. Yeah, we had a stop loss set in 1,500 for Volumetrica. We got stopped out there. Oh, daily opening, 750s.
Order filled.
Time to see if we get any reaction from the daily opening,
Order
guys.
filled.
I've DC'd it a little bit.
Order filled. Order filled.
No reaction. 1,000 is a daily limit. We had a good month in November. December has been a pretty slow start. Still having close to 5 grand here in the account, but look at that. Well, I got a strong push, came in a lot lower than the daily opening, 750s, but you still get that protection, so you'll look into the 5 minutes, you're getting protected from the daily opening. That's why you need the cushion, guys. Pretty tough, right? Pretty tough. At least I'm happy today we've hit the target on Ticktick, so we're able to go $10,000 payout. It's the biggest accomplishment. We got 7 points on 5 accounts, copy trading 5 accounts, 2,000 on each. We made the necessarily needed to go for that payout. Then we made good money on our Lucid Direct accounts. 3 accounts, 1,225 on each. On Volumetrica, on the brand new account, 150k, we made $700. 2 accounts touched the daily stop loss we've set. So Ticktick, Lucid, and 1 YRM 150k, we're all good. Tap 1 with the Ignite didn't function today too well. And the Flex accounts too didn't function too well today. So kind of happy about the Ticktick performance. You know, we had 2 bad days on Thursday and Friday, and we only needed a single point, guys. Think about it. I was pretty close losing out on this payout. I was having $600-700. If you look into the stream today, I was having $600-700 to the max loss, and I had 6 points. And I was pretty close losing that 10 grand payout. $600 short on that. Because we had 2 big losses on Thursday and Friday. Should have limited my loss here on Thursday to $1,500 as well. But that was a mistake I did, not doing it. So it's very important to seal up and confirm on your performance. Otherwise, it's not going to mean anything, right? At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you had, out of 10 days, 9 great, if you don't finish your last day and you lose everything, right? So that very last day basically is the one you can celebrate once it has been accomplished. That's the one making the difference. Alright, so let's just verify how many people joined the giveaway. $35 on Lucid Flex, 30% on Lucid Direct. YRM is still running their biggest promotions. Having a good time. Oh, sorry to hear that. You see, during those days, the risk management is even harder to be applied. 215 people have signed up. We're starting soon, guys. Make sure to like the video. We're 200 guys on the stream and 165 likes. So there's still 40 likes a gap. Look at a dollar. Look at a dollar pumping, guys. Yep. Gold is nicely playing a range here on a 5-minute for today. Nothing special. But a very interesting part is BTC is not dumping right now while gold is actually running. Sorry, well actually the dollar is running. Thank you guys so much for joining. You know, we got to that time of the stream which a lot of the people enjoy. To the moon, guys. To the moon, hoping to see BTC by the end of the year slightly above 100k. Slightly above 100k. So I'll give you 1-2 minute, guys. Complete a form, sign up. How to join? Very simple. Like the video, be subscribed. It's time for the giveaways. We've got 3 giveaways Join a Discord as well. I'll give you time for that one too. Our great traders community onboarded. And keep in mind, today I'll post a video on my channel. And you will certainly want to watch that. Waiting for the updates and for the numbers to be updating. So let me think about a number. So the first giveaway will be $125,000 tap on futures end of the day instant funded. First giveaway. Listen, how are we going to play this, guys? Listen. You got to listen because we have custom rules. So we'll have 10 number ones. 10. We'll have 10 number ones. Yeah, let's keep that like that. We'll have 5 number 2 and a single 0, right? So again, 10 number ones, 5 number 2 and a single 0. That's what we're having, guys. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. If you guessed before, make sure to rewrite your number. Welcome everyone, guys. 10 number 1, 5 number 2, and a single 0. That's how we set it up. That's the ratio. We've got 48 entries out of that. Repeating the sequence, of course, at the end you've got basically 3 zeros, I think. Yeah. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Thank you so much for joining. What a lovely day. Hitting that $10,000 payout confirmed. You know, we've traded those Ticktick trader accounts for 2 or 3 months. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. That's it. No more guesses. Best of luck, everyone. No shuffle. Attention. No shuffle. We had 10 number 1s, 5 number 2, and a single 0. That's going to be the number 1, guys. It's clearly confirmed. You're not going to pass that. It is the number 1. The one that had the biggest chances. The number 1. There you go. Fully confirmed, Jake. Look at that. Fully confirmed. Tootsie. There you go. You got your number 1. Good luck to you. You've got your number 1. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. We've got you over here with the ducks. I think we have a lot of the guys. 89, look at that. 89. And it's normal, right? Competing, guess what? For 1 minute and 30 seconds. Shuffle once. Good to go. Best of luck, everyone. You were gambling, right? Good for you not going for the zeros. Good for you not going for the zeros. Where is it? Probably didn't even start it. Keep pushing, guys. Come on. Now you need to speed up. Now. You gotta speed up. You gotta speed up. There you go. But you see, you're a bear. Look at that. Number 79. Through the middle. Look at that. Big Frank is dominating, but I got a pedal guy stopping out. There you go. That's the proof. Somebody's making a step forward. 2 seconds. And who do we have dominating? TradeMax. Look at that one. We got TradeMax. Ho-ho! Congratulations, buddy. Nobody saw you coming through. Nobody saw you coming through. Look at that, TradeMax. Are you here? Are you here, TradeMax, or right now you're submitting the form? We're gonna find it out. So here's the form. We're gonna TradeMax. Are you here? Yes. You are fully confirmed. Congratulations, buddy, TradeMax. There you go. Fully confirmed on your account. Great. It's a instant funding account. $25,000. Top 1 futures. You've been with us for many, many months already. Yeah. Instant funding account, top 1 futures. End of the day drawdown. End of the day drawdown. Yep. Back to the wheel, guys. Second giveaway. Listen up. $50K Lucid Pro. Second giveaway. $50K Lucid Pro. It's a challenge account, no activation fee. $50K Lucid Pro. Let me think about the numbers, but you gotta listen to the ratios. So we'll do 10 zeros. We'll do 10 zeros. Only one number 1, only one number 2, and only one number 3. And we're not changing, we're not putting more entries. Right? That's the way it's gonna be, guys. You can start guessing right now. Think about it. 10 zeros, one number 2, one number 1, and one number 3. 10 zeros. If you are gambling, you're going for something else than the zeros, right? Think about. That's the way the wheel is gonna be. We're not gonna repeat the entries. We're not gonna duplicate it. That's gonna be the ratio. I mean, even if we duplicate the entries, you are clearly having a good time seeing that. And keep in mind, if we have more than 100 winners, which is very likely when it drops to the 0. If we have more than 100 winners, I'm gonna pick the best top 3. I'll pick top 3. And we're going to do a second duck race, second round. Certainly everything is rigged. Certainly. Starting from the markets, right? When you do this, you're totally rigged. You have no excuse. All right, guys, so stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses, guys. Stop right there. 10 zeros, one number 1, one number 2, and one number 3. Shuffle. We're good to go. Best of luck, everyone. Is that gonna be the number 3? We just have a single 3, guys. Come on. Let me know which pedal do you want me to use. I got 4 different pedals. I have a pedal for the zeros. It's not going to be the zeros. I can guarantee. Look at that. It's not going to be the zeros, guys. Will that go to the number 3? Will that actually have the power to go to the number 3? It's going to be the number 1. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's going to be the number 1. There you go. Totally rigged, guys. Oh my god. Look at that one, guys. What were the ratios out there? Do the math. What were the ratios out there? Let's find it out. 13 winners. You see? That's why gambling gives you a chance. You'll never drink champagne without. 13 winners. We got Martin here. We got a lot of the great folks. Bunjan. They will compete only for 30 seconds. That's it. That's everything we give them. 30 seconds. Start right now. We're still having another giveaway, guys. Come on. "13 winners. Look at that. 5 seconds to go. Okinva. Look at that. Are you winning this, Okinva? And yes, you do. Congratulations, buddy. Okinva. Okenba. You got this, buddy. Hey, let's see if you are. Sign up. Are you? Yes, you are. Good job. Hey, congratulations, buddy. You've been in with us for quite a few months out there. Thank you so much, guys. Look at that one. That was pretty strong. Congratulations, buddy. You got this. And now we're changing the structure. We're changing the structure. You gotta listen up. You gotta listen up. We're changing the structure. If you've joined fresh, you gotta like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. And I'll make an announcement right now. So tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 2 days back to back. No streaming. Tuesday and when no streaming. My wife is having a surgery and I'll be there. So Tuesday, Wednesday, no streaming. We resume Thursday. I'll post videos on my channel, but no streaming, attention. My wife is having a surgery. No critical big problems, just certain things at the knee, right? And we're gonna fix the knee and then get back in business. So, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you guys. Great. So, recovery is going to be months, but we're going to make it. So, thank you guys. Appreciate your great words. Listen up to the structure of the numbers. We're going to do 10 number 7s. And 3 zeros. That's it. 10 number 7s and 3 zeros, guys. Thank you so much, guys. You can start right now. This is going to be a $50,000 YRM. $50,000 YRM. $50,000 YRM. There you go. Come on, let's go, guys. Thank you so much for your great words. Appreciate it. Wish you guys the best. God bless you. Let's go. 10 number 7s, 3 zeros. 10 number 7s, 3 zeros. What are you gonna go for? Let's go, guys. Come on. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses. Basically, this is the last giveaway till Thursday. Keep that in mind. Great. So, we're going to shuffle. You like this shuffle with double zeros here? Double zeros here. And a 0 on the other side. We're going to go by this shuffle, guys. We're going to go by this. Come on. Best of luck, everyone. Let's see, guys. That's not going to be the zeros, I think. That's pretty hard to go out there for the zeros. I think we're going to stop on that green number 7. Or it's going to be the yellow one. Look at this one, guys. It's going to be an easy 7, right? An easy 7. And we got the green one. No, we've got the yellow one. Still good, right? Number 7. Attention, if we had more than 100 winners, if we have more than 100 winners, it's extremely rigged, guys. It's extremely rigged, but at the same time, if we have more than 100 winners, we're going to pick the top 3 and moving them into the second duck race, second round, with the best 3. Let's find it out. We have 125, so clearly there's going to be 2 rounds of duck races. 125 winners. Look at that. Ho ho! 125. So quite a lot of you went for the 0. By the way, I'd expect around 140, 145 for the 7. You guys will compete for 3 minutes, right? We're gonna shuffle you, competing for 3 minutes. Look at the original gangster speeding up. That's a big one. Look at that. Some of you are not gonna be visible on the screen for many, many minutes. Many, many minutes. It's gonna be so spread. Come on. Could be drunk, right? This way, guys, you have time to see your duck, at least to appear on your screen. You don't have to be in front right now. Just hope to speed up in the last 6-7 seconds. A lot of the ducks are not on the screen. Some are behind. Look at that, Mr. Knife Art. Just came through with a green hair. Look at that. Mr. Knife Art has been pushing from behind to the top. Look at that. Simplistic Video Purple Ninja Facts is dominating. That's not a good sign for him. NPC World coming. Crisp. Come on. Nitro. Maddie right there at the top with red. Are you bearish, Maddie, today? That's why you got the red duck? Look at it, Maddie's dominating the top.
PG contract with the grandma. Nah. You definitely want to hope not to see your name right now, guys. You definitely want to hope that. Because the winner is not on the screen at the moment. Very likely. Right? The winner is not on the screen right now. Certainly not amongst the top. 20 seconds to fly. Liquidation. I got my pedal ready. Who's at the top in the last 10 seconds hitting the pedal? For example, Happy Kids. Why did you speed up? It's not the finish line. Look at that. This is so close, guys. Who's going to make the step forward right now? Do we have someone stepping up? Or no? We got Wix winning. Wix 21. Oh, look at that. Wix 21 winning. Genius afterwards. And Donald. Have you guys seen this user on our live stream so far? Wix21. Have you guys? Let's just find it out if he's on the list quickly. Vix, are you here? Yes, you are. There you go. Congratulations, Vix. You got this $50,000 YRM account. Congratulations. Are you here? Looks like he's not here. He's not celebrating. Vix is not here. Ho ho. Quite interesting, right? How come? How come he's not here? He put in a number. How he put in a number and then disappeared? Oh, yes, you're right. You guys forgot about. Maddie just remembered. I've been waiting to show and see. You guys remember? We said about top 3. You guys forget about, right? We're doing the second round, guys. You guys forget about. We have top 3. You guys forgot about them, right? We had the Genius as well and Donald there. We're taking top 3, guys. Don't forget about. I've been doing testing your memory and waiting for someone to point it out. The first guy is Maddie. We got Badger as well. But Maggie is asking, wasn't it the top 3? We're going to take the top 3. Vix. I'd like to see Genius as well on the list. Genius, are you here? Yes. And then the third one, Donald. Are you here? Yes, you're here. So we're going to take Vix, Genius, and Donald to the second round. Remember, I said if we're above 100, we're going to do the second round with the top 3. 30 seconds. A lot of the people said just congrats. Totally forget about. Come on, let's do it. Let's finally discover. Vix is still not here. Ten seconds. Come on. Who's taking that? Donald is taking it. You're taking it, Donald. Congratulations, buddy. Are you here? Are you here? Or it's the same person behind Vix, Donald, and Genius? Yeah, he did one last week. Probably the same person behind this accounts, right? And it takes time between switching the accounts or the bot is no longer working. Something is happening. Look at that one, guys. They're not here. Vix is not here. Donald is not here. Certainly we're going to verify this. Thank you for confirming, TradeMax.
That's where we are, guys. So, back in business, back to the discussion, what's happening here with the Nasdaq 730s. Like I said, we are resuming. That's a good one, buddy. Donald Wicks, but he's a genius. Correct. That's a good one. You gotta refresh the video. Refresh the video and you will see the number of likes. Refresh the video, guys. You'll see the real number of likes when you refresh the video, because otherwise it's not getting updated. So once again, guys, major updates. Tuesday, Wednesday, no streaming. Resuming on Thursday. We're having tons of accounts for Thursday. Keep that in mind. And Friday too. So that's gonna be a big week right there. Thank you so much for your great words. We had a great day going for the $10,000 payout on Ticktick, making money on that Lucid direct accounts. So closing out on a good deal is the most important part. And that's the last day of a cycle that qualifies you for the payout. Thank you once again, guys. Have a lovely time, lovely week. I'll update you on my YouTube channel. I'll post a video today. We keep in touch on my Discord. Thank you once again, guys. Looking forward to it.